Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings and then let's scroll down to very bottom in order to find accounts and sync. Of course, as you can see above it, we've got a whole Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it by using this section. So let me tap on it and simply tap on Add Account. Choose, of course, Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on Next, your device will autofill it. So right now we can enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on I agree. Of course, after reading, you can simply tap on it and then you will be transferred to the proper section with the information. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And now we can go back to the previous section, and as you can see right here, we've got our Google account added. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it whenever you feel like you want to do it. So just tap on it and tap on More. Tap on Remove Account and tap on Remove Account. As you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google accounts, so how to add and remove a Google account in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.